Well, you can help save children's lives right here in East Texas by donating to the Children's Miracle Network. Coming up this weekend, the annual celebration will air right here on CBS 19.
CBS 19's Melissa Daigle joins us live now. Melissa, 100% of those donations will actually go to the Children's Miracle Network and stay right here in our community.
Yes, you're exactly right. And those donations support life-saving pediatric services and equipment at Trinity Mother Frances hospitals and clinics, especially at the neonatal intensive care unit, where many sick babies are nursed back to health. The Guzzetta family knows all about that. Their daughter Daniela is this year's miracle child. Her parents say the Children's Miracle Network has helped them immensely. Joseph and Carolina Guzzetta were ecstatic when they found out they were going to give their son Luca a sibling.
How do you like Daniela, Luca? Do you like her?
When Carolina went to her 3-month screening at Mother Frances Hospital, the couple received some troubling news.
They told us that we had a high risk for a baby with Down syndrome.
They decided to continue with the pregnancy regardless. A few months later, Daniela was born into the world.
So then right away we find out that she had Down syndrome, and she was having some difficulty breathing and feeding and stuff like that.
Daniela was admitted to the NICU right away. She spent time in and out of the hospital for the first portion of her life.
But after that, thank goodness, everything has been well. I mean, she only has had a couple of ear infections, common for every kid. So it's going well.
The Guzzettas say the Children's Miracle Network essentially saved their daughter's life through the services and programs that were offered to them.
There's so many people out there that, like us, we didn't know we were going to need it, and we didn't know we benefited from it until after the fact. So that's a huge thing.
Now Daniela is 1.5 and an energetic bundle of joy.
She's happy.
Well, she's happy most of the time, and she's now more mobile, so she's getting into everything and discovering the world. Everything is an adventure.
And her family is excited to take on the journey with her. She is so sweet. The Guzzettas say they will never forget the wonderful care they received at Mother Frances through the funding from the Children's Miracle Network. It's a great organization.
Yeah, now some of these kids, and I guess their families too, spend months at the NICU unit and really build a bond with the nurses and the staff that's helping them.
They do, and this was no exception for the Guzzettas. They say the staff and service was amazing, and just being able to have that kind of care in our city, they said, is just such a blessing.
Yeah, and it's only been a few years now that we've had that NICU, and the money goes to buy so many valuable things like respirators, you know, those ventilators that the kids are on, and those little isolates that, you know, the little babies are in.
You'll learn all about that if you tune in.
Yeah, we'll be here. We'll be talking all about it. It's amazing where all that money goes. So thanks, Melissa.
Yeah.
Well, you can start donating money and helping families just like the Guzzettas by participating in the telethon this weekend. The Children's Miracle Network will air right here on CBS 19 Saturday from 7 to 10 p.m. Regular primetime coverage will air after CBS 19 News at 10, and CMN will also air between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. on Sunday.
And you can catch the conclusion of the CBS Memorial Golf Tournament on CBS 19 after the CMN coverage ends on Sunday, or you can watch it in its entirety on our sister station KCEB. But I warn you, grab your tissues. You're going to need them for the celebration.